20-year-old stunner.
Sandali, stunner or scammer?
Stunner.
Stunner.
20-year-old stunner from Pampanga.
Ikaw lang ang kabalin dito. Ikaw lang.
20-year-old stunner from Pampanga.
Grabe naman.
Bossing, pinakamaganda to.
Bossing, bro.
Wala talaga. Wala talaga.
Sorry, I love you.
Yes. Hindi matatanggal.
Sayang. Sila tumayo.
Yan sila. Babe, picture ka, picture. Ano height difference namin?